What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Just wanted to come to you with a small update. I had a few people ask me about my welding and hip hop program and how I was teaching people and what my idea was with it. Well, in this hip hop program that I'm designing, because it ain't complete, but my goal is to help educate people independently. So if you want to get your education independently, or you want to pay for it out of your pocket, or you want to do some on-the-job training and pay for it, that's what this program is about. It's about breaking the chains of people feeling like they can get something for nothing, but you got to put forth your work. You're going to have to pay for your certifications. I get you ready. I get you in a position where you are ready to take the test, and then you use your money and you go take the test, and then you become independent. But my goal is to teach you how to weld, how to be independently, if that makes sense. Like, I'm trying to show you how to do it on your own. That way you can take it and you can go somewhere else and do whatever you want to do. So it's kind of like, instead of me giving you something when you're hungry, I'm going to teach you how to fish. So that way, once you get hungry again, you can always feed yourself. You see what I'm saying? All gone.